Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, dude. So this is our hotel right here, oceanfront near Pismo Beach. I'm trying to find Cindy. She came outside already somewhere over here. I don't know where she's at, but find her. We crashed that little breakfast party over there and then hit the dunes. Where is she though? Look who I found in her natural habitat, just chilling. You got the view right here though. Gosh. Like a row of hotels right here on the ocean front. So sick. We're in Pismo Beach, hitting the dunes after this, after breakfast though, right?
Yeah.
Definitely breakfast first. A little food vlog coming. And then off to Oceano Dunes and see what we can't get ourselves into. Truck won't start. Press brake pedal and touch engine switch with key. Okay, here's the key. Touch. What? That was weird. Is that rapping?
Yeah, that was weird.
Our flags are up. Nice choice, by the way. Honda CRV or something out there mobbing. Razor.
Oh, the blue one?
Yeah. See what happens when the dunes get the best of you?
The dunes send it right back. Oh! Oh, yikes. Your bumper would...
I say we send it. More speed.
Yep. Oh no.
One more time. Dude, the truck's killing power. That's why.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's fogging out.
You're sunken in.
We're so close.
Close. Very close.
Well, we're going backwards now.
The truck is just looking at you like, what a loser. Oh no, you're stuck.
What'd he say?
I think he's... Your wheel is stuck. He's coming to save you. That wheel.
Yeah. Get his truck too. His truck's sick.
Yeah.
I'm gonna send it all the way up, but...
There you go.
Nope. We're going backwards. Yeah. Okay, so... we seem to have gotten ourselves in a situation.
Want the pedals?
Oh, the boards?
Yeah.
Oh, I have those too. Thank you, though.
You want me to pull you?
You got it? Yeah? I don't have a hook, though.
You don't?
I'm getting pulled by a GMC. Huh? Oh, shoot.
Nope.
You have a rope?
Yeah.
He came prepared.
I didn't come prepared.
Yeah.
I
Tell me funny.
just thought I'd send it.
It always happens.
Yeah, it's my first time, you know.
That's fine.
You know how it goes.
If you would have gone reverse the first time, you would have been good.
I know, I thought so too.
It's because this wheel went to a dip in.
I was committed.
Yeah. It's a nice cut, though.
I was being stubborn.
It always happens. You don't have look. Oh, you don't have hooks on.
No hooks.
Damn.
Okay, should I just use my boards and go backwards, you think? Is that better?
Wait, boards? You got four? Or you got two?
I got two.
I got two. Gotta take some of this little dirt
Okay.
on the rear.
So I need a shovel next time too.
Go all the way back. Go. Yeah. Try to get more speed.
Oh, do it again?
Yeah, we'll do it.
All right. Calm down.
What the heck?
My bad. Now what?
I got that camera. That was funny.
I don't know why the truck went to the left, and I saw you guys up there, and I was like, I had to stop.
1, 2, 3. No, hold on. I don't want to get stuck either.
Okay, so. Okay, cool. Almost got the Sierra stuck. Trying to rescue me. Oh man. Situation.
Oh no.
Okay, we're back in business.
Sorry, I'm having trouble understanding you.
You got it.
Made it. Did too. Let's go. All right. My guy sends it. Oh no! I can do that. Let's go.
Hey, is that the Pro?
Nah,
Oh, is it like mine?
SR5. SR5, yeah. Couple mods.
Look at the money you threw. Bro,
That's you, huh?
I just got it 3 weeks ago.
Oh, okay.
It's brand new, yeah.
I got mine.
1,000 miles in it.
1,000 miles, huh?
Yeah.
Dang, straight to it.
Oh my god. You never take a good picture of your truck, man. I want my car like this.
Oh, he's trying again.
Something back here, by the way. Oh, let's go, let's go,
Oh.
let's go.
He made
Yeah,
it.
buddy. Made it. Okay, I'm rubbing something pretty bad back here. Oh, that's what it is. That's not too bad though. Just pull it back. We're all right. He's gonna do it again.
35 and 37.
37s. Oh, jeez. This guy.
37, 6 inch. Okay.
37s on a 6-inch. Yeah.
That's what I need.
I mean, you got 1,000 miles in yours, right? So, still new. Dude, he's having the most fun ever right now. He's going for round 3. Peer pressure, whatever. Yeah.
Oh, Lord. Oh.
Let's assess the damages really quick. I know I got something from that fence. Oh, the headlight. So I got the headlight a little bit, nothing crazy actually. It's not too bad. Kind of scratched up the headlight. And then the mirror. Oh, got that pretty good.
Oh, yikes.
Comes in the territory, but it's rubbing pretty good. Oh yeah, I'm hitting that thing right there. So the tire's rubbing that. Heard that a few times. So I'll probably end up chopping that thing off too, I guess, before we come out next. But aside from that, I think everything else is holding up just fine. Down here, we didn't blow a boot. On that side, or that side's looking good too. So I think we're all good on that. Everything down there is looking good. Yeah, that's pretty much it, I guess. Just a couple scratches from that fence right there.
Can you like buff it out?
Nah, it's all the way through.
No.
It's white.
Yikes.
Just through the paint, so
That's her.
I'm not gonna worry about it. It's not too bad. And just like that, we are back home to some pretty amazing weather. It's raining so hard right now, but anyways, as you guys just seen, the truck did sustain a little bit of damage there on the headlight, the mirror cap, as well as a little bit back here on the bumper. Got the wrap a little bit there on the bumper. It's got the taillights in a little bit, and a couple other little random areas. It was that last dune that I got stuck on. Going up, I'm pretty sure I would have made it if not for the truck sliding to the left, and I pretty much had to abort mission because the girls were right there on the left side. So I stopped the truck, and then on the way back down, it also slid to the left towards that fence, and that's why we got a little scratched up, but no big deal. And also too, before we go out there next, we need to trim up that guy right there because we're hitting the tire a little bit. And yeah, we are planning our trip back out there in about a month. We're already planning our next trip. It was so much fun. The dunes are so much fun. That's all I have for you guys for now. So catch you guys on the next one very soon. Until then, peace out.